Hi everyone, I'm Vijay. I'm a trainer in PySpiders Rajajinagar. So today we have our place candidate called BHUMIKA. So BHUMIKA, can you share your experience?
Good afternoon, myself BHUMIKA. I completed my engineering in Sri Krishna Institute of Technology in the stream called Information Science Engineering. Currently I am joined a PySpider. Currently I finished SQL with a Multi and ongoing with an Python with a Vijay sir.
Very good. So to get to place in Capgemini, what helped you in the institute?
So first main thing is presentation. We can using presentation I built more skills like communication and how to speak in formal. That's the one thing which made me to crack interview, and also communication is main important for every interview. That is more important.
Very good. So all the best for your future and then congratulations.
Thank you.